In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Illustrator Error 108, also known as the out-of-memory error. This is a common issue that many Adobe Illustrator users run into, especially when working with large files, complex artwork, or when your computer is running too many programs at the same time. When this error appears, Illustrator simply doesn't have enough available memory to complete the task you're trying to perform. The good news is that there are several simple fixes you can try that often resolve the problem quickly. I'll walk you through each method step by step so you can get back to working on your design without frustration. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Illustrator tutorials and quick fixes. Now let's jump right into the first solution. The first fix is to close unnecessary programs running on your computer. When multiple applications are open at the same time, they all consume system memory. If too many programs are running, Illustrator may not have enough memory left to perform certain actions, which can trigger Error 108. Start by saving your current Illustrator project so you don't lose any work. Once your file is saved, minimize Illustrator and look at the applications currently running on your system. Close any programs that you are not actively using, especially heavy programs like browsers with many tabs, video editors, or other design software. After closing those applications, return to Illustrator and try the action again that previously caused the error. In many cases, simply freeing up system memory like this can immediately solve the issue. The second fix is to restart your computer. This might sound simple, but restarting your system clears temporary memory usage and resets background processes that may be consuming resources. First, save your work in Illustrator if the program is still responsive. After that, close Illustrator completely. Once it's closed, restart your computer normally. When your system turns back on, open Adobe Illustrator again and load your project file. Because the system memory has been refreshed, Illustrator now has more available resources to work with. Many users find that this quick restart completely removes the out-of-memory error. The third fix is to simplify your artwork. Complex Illustrator documents can use a large amount of memory, especially if they contain many objects, effects, gradients, or detailed paths. If your design is extremely complex, Illustrator may struggle to process everything at once. Start by reviewing your document and looking for elements that may not be necessary. You can remove unused layers, delete hidden objects, or merge elements that don't need to remain separate. Another helpful technique is simplifying complex paths. If you have shapes with a very large number of anchor points, try using the Simplify option in Illustrator to reduce the number of points. You can also remove heavy effects like multiple blurs, shadows, or transparency effects if they aren't essential to the final design. By reducing the overall complexity of your artwork, Illustrator requires less memory to process the file, which can prevent Error 108 from appearing. The fourth fix is to reduce image size or resolution. If your Illustrator document contains large placed images, those images can consume a significant amount of memory. High-resolution photos or large embedded graphics can quickly increase the memory requirements of the file. To fix this, select the image inside your Illustrator document and check its size. If possible, scale the image down to a smaller size that still works for your design. Another option is replacing the image with a lower resolution version that uses less memory. You can also link images instead of embedding them, which reduces the overall file load inside Illustrator. These small adjustments can significantly lower memory usage and help Illustrator run more smoothly. The fifth and final fix is to update Adobe Illustrator. Older versions of Illustrator may not handle memory as efficiently as newer versions. Adobe frequently releases updates that improve performance, stability, and memory management. To check for updates, open the Adobe Creative Cloud application on your computer. In the list of installed apps, locate Adobe Illustrator. If an update is available, click the Update button and allow the installation to complete. Once the update finishes, restart Illustrator and open your file again. Running the latest version of the software can often resolve bugs and performance issues that lead to memory errors. And that's how you fix Illustrator Error 108, the out-of-memory error. By closing unnecessary programs, restarting your computer, simplifying artwork, reducing image sizes, and keeping Illustrator updated, you can usually eliminate this issue and continue working without interruptions. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful Illustrator tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.